Departure United 999 Heavy 2200, climbing 3000, Newark 4.
United 999 Heavy, New York departure, good evening, radar contact. United 999 Heavy, climb maintain 5000, flighting 010.
Climb maintain 5000, 010, United 999 Heavy.
United 999 Heavy, flighting 040, contact departure 120.4, have a good day.
040, and what was departure again? United 999 Heavy?
20.4.
20.4, thanks.
United 999 Heavy, news departure, turn right, heading 120, climb maintain 10,000.
Climb maintain 10,000, 120 heading, United 999 Heavy.
United 999 Heavy, turn left heading 060.
Left turn 060, United 999 Heavy.
United 999 Heavy, contact departure 118.17.
Alright, 1817, United 999 Heavy. Departure United 999 Heavy, 9,000, climbing 10,000, and 060 heading.
Yeah, 999 Heavy, departure, direct to Merritt.
Alright, direct Merritt, but and standby. It looks like we may have to do a return to Newark, if you could give us another heading.
Heading 060 for now.
060 for now, United 999 Heavy. And departure United 999 Heavy.
Right, sir?
Yeah, could we get assigned holding or delayed vectors while we run some checklists?
Not a problem, just stay on that heading for now and just hold you at 10,000 work for you.
Yeah, 10,000 works, and we'll stay on this heading, United 999 Heavy. Thank you.
I'll give you vectors in my airspace.
Understood, thanks.
United 999 Heavy, turn left heading 310.
Left turn 310, United 999 Heavy.
United 999 Heavy, turn left heading 180.
Left turn 180, United 999 Heavy.
And New York, United 999.
United 999, go ahead.
We're going to go ahead and declare an emergency at this time. We're still going to need a little bit of time before heading into Newark. Can I just keep you posted?
No problem. United 999, what's the nature of the emergency?
We struck something on takeoff at about 8,000 feet, a very heavy object. We're not sure what it was, but it was a very loud bang. We're going to go back and have it inspected.
Roger that. And you just want to say we vectors for now?
That would be perfect.
Okay, when you get a chance, just give me the number on board and the fuel remaining.
New York, United 999.
United 999.
Souls on board 354, 9 hours of fuel.
Thank you. United 999 Heavy, turn left heading 050.
050, United 999 Heavy. I'm sorry, that was a left turn?
Yep, left turn 050.
Left turn 050, United 999 Heavy.
United 999, left turn heading 330.
Left turn heading 330, United 999.
United 999 Heavy, left turn heading 220.
Left turn heading 220, United 999.
And departure United 999 Heavy. We're ready to return to Newark.
United 999 Heavy, roger, turn right heading 280.
Right turn 280, United 999 Heavy.
United 999 Heavy, contact 20.8.
20.8, United 999 Heavy. And approach United 999 Heavy, 10,280 with the information.
United 999 Heavy, welcome. And just confirm you are ready for a descent and sequencing back into Newark.
That's affirmative. We're ready for descent and sequencing for United 999 Heavy.
Yeah, 999 Heavy, descend and maintain 4, let's make it 5,000.
Descend maintain 5,000, United 999 Heavy. And approach United 999 Heavy.
Missed that, say again?
Yeah, that was United 999 Heavy. Out of an abundance of caution, we would like the trucks to be standing by for our landing.
Absolutely.
Thanks.
United 999 Heavy, contact New York 120.15.
12015, United 999 Heavy. Thank you. New York, United 999 Heavy, 6,500, descending 5,280 heading.
United 999 Heavy, New York Bridge, North Altimeter 3032, Tango Square, ILS 4 right.
Alright, we'll expect the ILS 4 right, United 999 Heavy.
United 999 Heavy, you have a second?
Yeah, go ahead.
I guess they're asking if you need any kind of assistance or if you know what happened or what you hit or anything like that.
Yeah, we were climbing out around 8,000 and we struck something very hard. We're not sure if it was a bird or a drone. We didn't get a good visual on it. As far as assistance goes, out of our abundance of caution, we would like the trucks to stand by for us, but other than that, no.
Okay, when you have time, can you please give me souls and fuel?
354 for souls on board and 9 hours of fuel. United 999 Heavy.
Okay, thank you so much. United 999 Heavy, time left at 240.
Left turn 240, United 999 Heavy.
They're asking if you know, like, where you hit. Was it in the front, the fuselage, the wing?
It was the left front, just below the pilot window.
Okay, thank you. And do you want 4 right or 4 left? Your choice.
4 right.
4 right, okay. Expect ILS 4 right.
Respect 4 right, United 999 Heavy.
United 999 Heavy, turn left heading 200, contact final 128.55. Have a nice day.
Left turn 200, final 128.55, United 999 Heavy. Good day.
Thanks, hope it gets better for you.
Approach United 999 Heavy, 5,000, 200 heading.
United 999 Heavy, fly heading 180, descend and maintain 3,000.
180, 3,000, United 999 Heavy.
United 999 Heavy at 3,000, reduce speed to 210.
At 3, slow to 210, United 999 Heavy. Approach United 999 Heavy.
999 Heavy, New York.
Yeah, our final approach speed is going to be higher than normal for spacing landing.
Thank you. United 999 Heavy, turn left heading 120.
Left 120, United 999 Heavy.
United 999 Heavy, 11 miles from Gritty, turn left heading 070, maintain 3,000 until established on local hazard, cleared ILS to my 4 right approach.
070, 3,000, and clear for the ILS 4 right, United 999 Heavy.
United 999 Heavy, what will your approach speed be?
163.
United 999 Heavy, contact Newark Tower 118.3, have a good night. Caution my turbine, final heavy, Dreamliner on final.
Roger, 18-3, United 999 Heavy, thanks for the help. Tower, United 999 Heavy, ILS 4 right.
United 999 Heavy, Newark Tower, caution, white turbulence on a heavy Boeing 787, wind 0307, runway 4 right to land.
Clear land 4 right, United 999 Heavy.
United 999 Heavy, do you require any assistance?
Negative assistance, United 999 Heavy.
United 999 Heavy, roger. Cross runway 4 left at Mike, and you can contact ground on 18.
Cross 4 left on Mike, and ground on the other side, United 999 Heavy.